Welcome to this Tasklet Mobile WMS session where we'll explain how to install the free trial version of Mobile WMS for Business Central Cloud. With the free trial of Tasklet Mobile WMS, you'll get a fully functional version of Tasklet Mobile WMS installed in your BC sandbox environment. You get access to all the features and can connect as many mobile devices as you need, allowing you to test how Mobile WMS can support your warehouse processes. First, let us look at the requirements. To install and use free trial of Mobile WMS, you must have the following: Dynamics 365 Business Central Cloud, a sandbox environment set up with demonstration data or a copy of production data, a user with super permission set in Business Central to set up mobile users, administrative rights on Azure to set up application registration, a Google account to download our Mobile WMS app from Google Play Store, and approved Honeywell, Zebra, Datalogic or Newland mobile device. You can find approved hardware on our website. If you do not have an approved device, you can reach out to us at sales@taskletfactory.com. We recommend that you transfer data from your production environment to the sandbox environment to test Mobile WMS. Otherwise, use Microsoft's standard sandbox environment. And we also recommend that you create barcodes for items and bins. Once the requirements are met, you can install the free trial of Mobile WMS. Okay, here on my screen, I have my browser window to the left and my mobile device to the right. My mobile device is connected to my Google account. So we'll begin in the browser window. We'll go to Microsoft App Source and search for Tasklet. Here we can see the free trial version of Mobile WMS for Business Central, which we will open. And to download the extension, click on Free Trial, and this will open Business Central Cloud. First, we must choose which environment to install Mobile WMS in, and here we'll select Sandbox, and then press Install. Now we need to select our language, and then press Install, and this will start the installation, which may take some time. So now the installation of the extension is completed, and you'll see the Mobile WMS Sandbox configuration guide. Let us press Next. So this next step is intended to ensure that you have supported hardware, as we also mentioned in the requirements. Let us press Next. So now we need to insert the user ID and default location code that we can choose here from a drop-down menu. And this will ensure that the selected user can use Mobile WMS. So once we have done this, we will press Next and then Yes to confirm the information, and click OK. So now the user has been successfully set up. Next up is app registration. And you need this to access Business Central using Tasklet Mobile WMS. So the app registration mode is set to automatic by default, but you can also do it manually. And just for your information, the manual method will link to a web guide instructing you how to create the app registration. And then you can paste the client ID and the directory ID into the page. However, we recommend automatic app registration. So let us go ahead with that. We'll select automatic and then click Create App Registration Automatically. And then you'll see this confirmation box. Click Yes, and this will open a sign in window. And here I'll log in with my username and password, and also do the multi-factor authentication as well. So after logging in, the system asks for additional confirmation, and I'll just accept. After this step, you might get a security warning due to the external request to Microsoft Entra ID. In this example, I will select Allow Always and Continue. So now all of this is taking place automatically, as you can see here on the screen. And once it's done, the system will insert the application ID and the directory ID directly into the fields. Click Next, and you will be introduced to the mobile app connection guide. So to connect the mobile device to Business Central, you have to scan 3 barcodes on the mobile app connection guide. And you can either print the barcodes or open it on your computer. And here we'll just open it on our computer. So now it's time to grab the mobile device. So with the mobile device, I'll scan the first barcode, or I can also enter the URL taskletfactory.com/download in a mobile device browser. And this will open our application's Google Play Store page. And here we'll click Install. So once the application is installed, we'll open it on the mobile device. So now we need to scan the second barcode, which contains the endpoint. And lastly, we'll scan the third barcode, which contains the username. Next, enter your password and do the multi-factor authentication again, and that's it. The system will now log in. And the first login may take some time. So, as you can see here on the screen, we now have the mobile WMS menu on the mobile device. This means that the app is connected to Business Central and you can now start trying the solution. So that was the installation process. For more information, check out the FAQ on our website. Scan the QR code here on the screen to read more. And if you have any questions, please contact sales@taskletfactory.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy the free trial of Tasklet Mobile WMS.